My name is Tiffany Heil, and I have been a consultant with 31 for 8 years. 31 has blessed my life in so many ways, but the biggest blessing was when I was able to leave my corporate job to be a stay-at-home mom with my 3 kids 4 years ago.
My name is Carrie Altman, and I've been a 31 consultant since July. And 31 has helped me in 2 different ways. Number one is I get some really cute bags at a discount. And number two, I have a little extra cash flowing in for all these beautiful boys I'm trying to raise.
Hey ladies, Carmen Rice here. I have been a consultant with 31 since 2012. I have been able to be a stay-at-home mom and still have a sense of accomplishment outside of the home because of this company. I am able to bless others beyond belief because of the way we can give through this company. But most of all, I love that we can share our love for Christ through amazing products. And I am proud to be a part of the Give. Talk to you soon.
Hi, I'm Amy, and I've been with 31 since February of 2019. Because of 31, I have made some great new friends, and I have been able to cut my hours back at work.
Hi, my name is Sarah Wiggins, and I have been with 31 for 2 years. 31 has provided me with so many different opportunities that I would not have had otherwise, but the biggest one was all of the people that I have met between my 31 sisters and as well as my customers that I have met through 31. It created such a community, and I wouldn't have had that without 31.
Hey, my name is Andrea Carver, and I have been a 31 consultant for 8 years. 31 has blessed my family in so many ways, but my favorite way is that it has allowed me to be a work-at-home